2023. New year, new me. Hey guys! What's up? It's me again, Darcei, back with another video. I want to start 2023 with a bang. I don't want to look like a bum anymore. I need something fresh. I need something cool. What are the kids doing these days? So I scoured the internet trying to find a new aesthetic that I could try on. And apparently everyone's doing this thing called the clean girl look. And I thought to myself, well, I could do that. I could be clean. But you're probably thinking right now, Darcei, what the heckaroonie is a clean girl? Well, I didn't know either. So I had to look it up. So I went on Google and I looked up, what the heckaroonie is a clean girl? And this is what I found. The clean girl look is very minimal. It involves glowy makeup and a killer skincare routine. It's all about having a dewy, minimal skin base, a sun-kissed blush look, glassy looking lips, and feathered eyebrows. So this is a trend that completely took over TikTok. And it's basically the look that all the models are doing. Like Kendall Jenner, Hailey Bieber, Bella Hadid, the other Hadid. So is this trend just to basically look like a supermodel? Okay. Guys, hold on, I gotta do more research. How to get the clean girl aesthetic. What is the dirty girl aesthetic? What is the dirty girl aesthetic? Clean girl implies that there's a dirty girl aesthetic too. It also makes you wonder if having acne, natural hair, or even body hair puts you in the dirty category. Natural hair? Hairy armpits? I think I'm a dirty girl. But according to all these articles, the clean girl aesthetic is pretty easy to achieve. Because step 1 is simply look like a supermodel. Everyone can do that. Then step 2 is to have good skincare. Step 3 is to have straight hair. Step 4 is minimal makeup. Step 5 is to have a minimal looking wardrobe as well. Now, while trying to find examples of the clean girl aesthetic, I noticed that everyone seemed to have light skin. I kept scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, and so today I'm gonna be trying the clean girl aesthetic. But first, a word from our sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Casetify. Casetify challenged me and Lana Banana Crush, who's an amazing artist, to create a custom case with Casetify. Wait till you guys see this. This is a custom print that I created in collaboration with Lana Banana Crush as part of the Casetify Give Back program. That means that when you buy this phone case, 100% of the proceeds go to charity. And the charity that I chose is called Look Good, Feel Better. Look Good, Feel Better is a charity that helps women with cancer look good and feel better in their challenging time so that they can get closer to who they were before they started fighting cancer. This print is actually part of a collection with 2 other influencer artist collaboration prints. So basically, the team with the most donation will be rewarded another donation from Casetify. So you know what that means, guys? We have to get the most donations. We have to win. Do you understand your objective? It's all for charity, but we have to win. The purchase in the description box below. Check out all the different colors. I knew that I wanted something really, really adorable. Absolutely just pinch cheek and cute. And of course, it has to have potatoes on it because I'm a potato, you're a potato, we're all potatoes in this potato gang. When Casetify approached me with this, I was so excited because I love Casetify. I have so many Casetify cases like this one. Their quality is amazing. They're known for having premium phone cases. And now I have my own Casetify case. So if you guys are interested, no pressure. I do want to win though. Go to casetify.com/MissDarceiYT. Link will be in my description box. And when you click on my link, you get 15% off your order. Okay, back to the video. Thanks, Casetify. So I think the first thing I need to do is not look like this. Step 1 to being clean, hygiene. Oh my God, what happened here? What is going on? I have not brushed my teeth yet this morning, and that's not very clean of me. Fresh. Okay, next I've got to wash my face because clean girls have clean faces. Makes a lot of sense. Gotta get as clean as possible. Make sure I get the crust out of my eye. Rose oil, anyone? And I'm gonna use this moisturizer from Charlotte Tilbury. This moisturizer is amazing to put on right before you put on makeup. It's everything really smooth. So I promise it's not an ad. It makes everything really smooth and moisturized, and I love it. It also costs like $3 million, but they gave it to me for free. So, okay, next, hair. This is not the clean girl look. I took out my braids yesterday and I have not washed my hair, so it's very dirty. But I heard that dirty hair is really good for the clean girl look. Isn't that ironic? So I think we're in a good spot here, guys. It just needs a little bit of help. Good thing I bought this entire pack of hair ties, because we're gonna need it. I also have this full jar of hair gel, because we're gonna need it. So, clean girl hair is all about having a slick back bun, like this one. I don't know about my head shape, guys. I feel like I might look like a founding father if I try to do that, but we're gonna do it anyway. I need water. Okay. So I'm trying to get my hair as flat as possible. As you guys can see, my hair, it's not naturally flat. Guys, do I have a weird shaped head? Be honest. This is an arm workout. Okay, now it's time to pull out the gel. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this. This is about to be the slickest bun in the West. I feel like I'm in the bun Olympics. I look like an egg. Okay, let's zoom in and try to get this really slick. How are y'all doing this and looking good? Listen, I love a slick head as much as the next person. I don't know if this is gonna be flattering on me. Let's try this again. Okay, let's look up a tutorial. Sleek bun tutorial.
What's up, Babu fam, and welcome back to my channel. So I just take my nail, or you can take like the back of a comb, and I just make my middle part.
I'm gonna take my nail and make a middle part.
It requires half the amount of product. And here's a huge tip. If you really are struggling with where you want to put your bun, try and take where your eyes start and kind of just drag it with your finger right at that point, and that's where your bun's gonna go.
I think my bun was too low last time, so we're gonna do the eye trick. Ooh. Oh! Hold on, guys. I think she's onto something. Make sure it's at the right angle.
And then the second one is more about like making this look as a set. Yeah, and I'm really shaping the hair exactly into the place. Just slays my life.
That was the longest I have ever spent on a bun. That took me 30 minutes. And I still kind of look like an egg. Clean girl makeup is basically no makeup. All the makeup I'm gonna use is gonna be very glowy, very natural looking. I wanna look like I just rolled out of bed like this with my little bun and my fluffy eyebrows. So speaking of eyebrows, that's step one. And we're gonna use our tried and true trick for the eyebrows. Got to be glue gel. Let me zoom you in, love. You really want to take the teeniest, tiniest amount of gel. See that? Can you guys see that? That is enough for both eyebrows. Because if you put too much of this stuff, it starts to flake off and get all crusty. Just a little bit for that little brow, love. Little brow. Ooh, you're a little eyebrow. Oh, snap. Little brow. You're a wee eyebrow, little brow. Oh yeah, we looking slick. I'm gonna take my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and we're just gonna start filling in the gaps. It doesn't look like I'm doing much, because I'm not. I love you, eyebrow, and if it's quite alright, I love you, eyebrow. Filling in your eyebrows is an art, a skill, a passion. All right, we're going for the thick brow look today. Thickums. Okay, once we're done with the eyebrow, then we can move on to complexion, which I feel is the most important part besides the eyebrows. So like I said, we want to look glowy. We want to look fresh. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. Halo Glow. I'm going to put it on the high points of my face. Are you guys hearing that? That's not a sound effect. That's real. She's juicy. That's how I want my face to look. Juicy. Usually I put this on with the brush, but I don't know where my brush is. No, my brush has to be around here somewhere. Oh, I found it, but it's dirty. It's got blush on it. Who never washes their brushes before they start filming? Me. We look super glowy right now. Perfect. Next, I'm gonna put on my NARS foundation. This is the light reflecting foundation. So light reflecting foundation is perfect. Putting on just enough product so that we look natural. My skin looks amazing. So next we're gonna put on concealer, and I'm gonna take my NARS concealer. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. I use this concealer whenever I want just a little bit of coverage because it has like a medium coverage, you know? For those medium days, whatever that means. It sounded like a period commercial. NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer for those medium flow days. You guys, I'm feeling like this could be the new me in 2023. And then I'm gonna set my concealer with powder, but like not a ton of it. And we're gonna press the powder in just like that. Oh yeah. Next, let's use some bronzer. And I'm using a cream bronzer so that it looks more natural looking. And don't forget the nose. Keeping with the bronzer theme, I'm gonna take a powder bronzer and use that for my eyeshadow. Barely using any eyeshadow, and I'm just kind of sticking to the crease and then winging it out. Crease, wing it out. Crease, wing it out. And I'm also gonna take a small brush and just get right underneath there. You know what, guys? I kind of like this because I could just use my bronzer as eyeshadow. I don't even need an eyeshadow palette. It's genius. This is excellent for when you're on the go. This is really coming together, guys. Let's add some blush. I'm gonna use my She Glam blush, this bright orange, and just blend that out. Ooh. If you guys are looking for a brown girl friendly blush, this is it. Now, this may be controversial, but you guys, I'm gonna put lashes on. Listen, I've seen plenty of these looks where girls have very natural looking false lashes on. As much as I would love to have long, luscious lashes, I just don't. Where's my lash glue? Oh my God, I found it. Jeez, crisis averted. So I'm gonna put my lashes right on the very tip tap of my eye to give me that elongated model shape. I wanna look like I just got a facelift. This takes precise concentration. Yeah, I look sick, bro. While those are drying, I'm gonna put on a little bit of highlighter, and I should be using liquid highlighter, but I hate liquid highlighter. So I'm just gonna use this palette from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm gonna use a fan brush because I'm a psychopath. A little bit on the tip. Oh. We're almost done. Last step is lips. And we're gonna use the classic brown lip liner and lip gloss combo. Brown lip liner and lip gloss. I wonder where they got that idea from. Revolutionary. This is from Dior. It's the color 200 in the Dior Rouge. A little bit. And go over that with my Fenty gloss. I'm gonna grab my concealer one more time. This is what gives you that Bratz doll look. We're looking pretty good right now, but I just can't get past the fact that I look like an egg. I know what I must do. I always have a ponytail. I just don't think I'm like a low mid-bun kind of gal. I don't think it's for my head shape. And I'm gonna change out your clothes at the same time. Don't look. You nasty. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And the look is not complete without a button-down shirt. I am clean. Thank you. Do I look like Hailey Bieber? You think that Justin Bieber would marry me right now if I came up to him and looked like this? I'm just gonna keep this look all day. It's so cute. Don't I look cute? I look so cute! I kind of can't see through these lashes though. I think there's something in my eye. Seriously, guys, what do you think? Is this the look? Is this the look for 2023? Because I feel like it is. I feel real fresh right now. I feel like this is a fresh new year, a fresh new Darcei. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it, bitch. All just aside, this is a very basic black girl look. The slick back hair, the ponytail especially, I added that. I did add that. The brown lip liner and lip gloss. Where have I seen this before, guys? Let me know in the comments below. It is a great look though. Can you blame them? Can you blame them for trying? Let me know what you think about this whole clean girl look in the comments down below. I'll let you guys chit chat about that. I'm not trying to get canceled the first month of 2023. I hope you liked the video, guys, and I will see you in the next one, which is just gonna be in 2 seconds, because you're just gonna click one of these. Don't act like you don't binge watch my videos. I know that you're watching them instead of doing your homework, and I approve. And don't forget that I love ya so much.